How to make your man crazy about you. 4 simple tips to make any man crazy about you. Not all pretty girls can make their men go crazy over them. It is not the face nor the body that makes your man stick with you. It is beyond what meets the eye. You may wonder why unattractive women catch the most eligible bachelor in town. Personality-wise, you can make your man go crazy about you too. Just modify your charm and consider these simple tips. 1. Be confident. Confidence makes your man invest more feelings for you. Let him feel that you are independent, that you can do a lot of things with or without him. Your confidence leads your man to be a bit intimidated. He will see that you are unafraid to fight for a challenge, and your independence makes him a little weak seeing you secure. Yes, men find confident women very attractive because they love the personality of being self-assured. 2. Talk less and listen more. Let him know that you are interested in what he does. As much as possible, do not interrupt while he is talking. Listen carefully to his stories, his ideas, his plans. Ask him a bit of questions so he will realize that you want to know more about him. Always begin your conversation asking how he was doing or how he feels, and let him do the talking. 3. Laugh at his jokes. Show that you are happy every time he is with you. Let him feel that his laugh also tickles you. It gives him the sign that you enjoy his presence, and he feels happy to see that you have fun with him. Never insult your man, especially when there are people around. Instead, go with the flow and let yourself enjoy no matter how dry his jokes are. 4. Always compliment. Give sincere compliments every now and then. Say how much you love his lips or how beautiful his eyes are. Tell him you are falling in love with him more when he smiles. The more you tell him you like him, the more he will crave for you. He will be thinking why you like him, and it makes him crazy about you. Once you got the man in your dreams, make the effort to be irresistible. Take good care of your man, love him sincerely. Let him go crazy over you, but do not take him for granted when you get there. Having true and balanced feelings can make your relationship ultimately fulfilling. Now, get my free attraction secrets via the link in the description. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.